O Mufaddal, now reflect upon the eyes. Consider how they are placed in the head like two shining lamps. Through them, man is able to observe the world, distinguish forms, and walk his path without falling. See how the eyelids are like curtains, closing to protect the eyes from harm and to bring them rest in sleep. See how the eyelashes act as delicate filters, preventing dust from entering. Notice how the eyebrows are placed above, diverting sweat away from the eyes so they remain clear. Within the eyes are black and white, arranged in perfect balance. If reversed, man's appearance would be strange. In the eye lies a lesson for the one who reflects. Its design, protection, and beauty are proofs of the wisdom of the Creator, the most glorious.